Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to sell your ticket through the AXS app on your mobile device. Now you can generally sell tickets if they were actually purchased from the AXS app, and AXS official is available for the event. So basically what you have to do is, first thing, you need to go ahead and log in into your account, and in order to check if you can sell your ticket, you need to go ahead and sign into your account as mentioned earlier. And when you're on the home page, you need to go ahead and press the tickets button located right at the bottom. Now due to some security concern, I'm unable to show you the procedure, so I'm just going to instruct you. And when you look for, or when you press on the option that says your ticket, you can go ahead and select the event and check for the sell button located under it. Now if there is some familiar option, then you can go ahead and press on it and go through the instructions of what you have to do it in order to sell the button, in order to sell the ticket and all that. And that's basically how you can sell your ticket through the AXS app on your mobile device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.